times 4? Okay. When you put 24 here and you subtract it, what do you get? What's 12 minus 4?
When I just go like this, like I did before.
Do you know what 12 minus 4 is?
Oh,
What? Okay. See, 4 is bigger than, or 8 is bigger than 4, so this number up here has to be bigger than 6. So what do you think that would be? Why don't you try another one? What's 7 times 4? Okay. What's 8 times 4?
32.
Yep, so 8's your answer. Okay, we can say it gets 0. So your x equals 8.
Okay, you all set there, Abby?
There's my other question.
Oh, you have your other question. Okay. Oh, Gary's already got it, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it the tile one?
The tile one, you said?
It's about tiles. And
Is it about tiles?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Do you have a calculator that you can use? What'd she say?
Yeah, so I think that's a yes.
Okay, because the instructions say you may use a calculator, and that's how I found the answer. But if you want, I can do it out for you.
No, I have a calculator in here.
Okay. Well, all I did was take 429 times 208. You know the sides on the box there? Here, I'll draw the box. Okay. And the first question is, which tile can she use out of a tile? You have one that's 3 by 4, one that's 4 by 5, and one that's 9 times 6. Okay, take 429 times 208 to find the area here, right? I'll write that. And that came out to be 8,580. And then to find out which tile you can use, you have to find out which, you have to multiply these to find out if it'll go into this area here, right? So 4 times 5 is 20. Let me make sure I did that right. Okay. No, I didn't. I plugged it in wrong. This is 8, 9, 2, 3, 2. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20, so you know it won't fit into this evenly because the last two numbers is 32, and 20 won't go into 32 evenly. You follow that? Mm-hmm. Okay. 9 times 6 is 36, so we can divide that into that to find out if that'll fit evenly. It comes out to a decimal number, so you know it doesn't fit in evenly. So then all we have left is the 4 times 3, which is 12. Divide that by 12. And you get, let's see. You get 7,436. So because this is the only one that'll fit into that number evenly, this is the tile you have to use, the 3 by 4 tile. That's tile X. Okay? That's your answer for A. Letter B, which way should the tile be placed? Well, let's see. 429 divided by 3 is 143 for this. And 208 divided by 4 is 52. So because it fits in evenly like that, you want the 3 to be on top and the 4 on the side. So say that's your box right here. You want to place that in that direction. Do you understand that? For letter B?
No.
Was that a no?
No.
You don't follow that? Okay. Let me do it again.
I don't really either, so.
Okay, they want to know which direction, either like this or like this, the tiles are placed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you have either a 3 or a 4. 3 goes into 429, but it won't go into 208. And that's how you figure out which direction you want to place. And the 4 will go into 208, but it won't go into 429. That's how we figured out how to do it. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, so that's your answer for letter B. Letter C is how many tiles are needed. That's just the answer we came up with before when you divided this by 12, 7,436. You understand how I got that right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then letter D, can Molly buy the exact number if the tiles come in boxes of 8? So all you gotta do is take this number and divide it by 8. Oops. And that comes out to be 929.5. So because it's not a whole number, you can't get it in boxes of 8 because I divided this by 8.
Okay.
You all set there?
Yep.
Okay, have a fantastic night.
You too.
Okay. Should I say thank you or you too?
You too.
Thanks, Abby. Okay, we're gonna go to our next homework question here. Hello, sir, are you there? How you doing tonight?
Fine.
That's good. What school do you go to?
Would Wilson?
And what grade are you in?
Yes.
And what is your question for us tonight?
I actually have 3 of them.
Whoa, we have just,
Multiple
that's
questions.
great, yeah. Plethora of questions with each caller. Okay, what's the first one?
71 divided by 3,053.
59. That is a 3. You guys got that one? You know what? This works out great because every single one of you can do one of her problems. Then you can tell us who did it the best. No, this isn't a competition.
No.
I know, I'm just kidding. You gotta have some kind of fun around here, right, Sarah?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Can we get the other 2 problems real quick?
While she's working that, or getting ready to do that.
I'll give it to you.
Already.
Or do you want to give them the problems, or do you want me to? Sarah?
Oh, could you repeat that, please?
Well, she's going to work on that problem, and we're going to give your next 2 problems to them. Do you want to read them, or do you want me to?
It doesn't matter, really.
Well, it's your call. I mean, you're the caller.
Well, I'll make y'all do it.
Okay. So just read them the next 2 questions, then. You can read them anytime you want, Sarah.
Okay, did
Okay.
you got the first one down?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
got the first one.
Okay, the next one is 45 divided by 2,390.
Alrighty. You guys ready for the third? Mm-hmm. Okay, hit us with the third, Sarah.
Okay. 82 divided by $22.96.
Alright. And now Jamie's going to do your first problem.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, here we go.
Is this what your problem looks like?
Just a second. Yep.
Okay. Do you know, okay, 3 is smaller than 71, so it doesn't go in there. And 30 is smaller than 71, so it doesn't go in there. Do you know how many times 71 will go into 305?
63?
It doesn't go in 53 times.
Okay, just a second.
It's less than 10.
Okay, what was it again? 71?
71 into 305.
3.
Take a guess.
Okay, I think I almost got it. Just a second.
Whoa, bless you. Is that a sneeze or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I hope so.
Sorry.
Couldn't ball even over the phone.
I didn't know it was coming in.
You know what? Either did I.
Okay, I think I got the problem. Would it be 355? Well, I mean, you want the top number, right?
How many times does 71 go into 305?
5.
305.
5 is too many.
4.
Okay, try 4. Okay, what's 4 times 1?
Pardon me?
4 times 1.
1 is 4.
Okay, what's 4 times 7?
28.
Okay. Now you subtract this. Okay. What's 5 minus 4?
1.
Okay, and what's 10 minus 2? Or 10 minus 8? Sorry.
Could you repeat that again?
10 minus 8?
You can't do that? Wait a second. Three?
No, it's not 3.
4?
No, it's 2, okay?
Okay, 2, sorry.
That's all right. Now you bring down your 3. Do you know how many times 71 would go into 213?
3 times?
Okay. What's 3 times 1?
3.
Okay, and what's 3 times 7?
21.
Okay. And this comes out to be 0, so your answer is 43.
Okay.
Okay, and Colleen has the answer to question number 2.
No, I have question number 3.
Oh, Gary,
yeah.
just give the answers because we're.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're kind of Gary.
Gary's just going to give you the answers, okay?
Okay.
The 2,390 divided by 45 is the question, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the answer comes out to be 53.1, and the 1 is repeating, so the 1 continues on infinitely.
So you can draw a little line over it.
Yeah.
I don't get that one.
You do it the same way
I tried it
as you
real
did
quick.
the other
Yeah,
problem.
you just do it the exact same way. You just.
But your answer is 53.1 and the 1 repeats, so you just draw a line over the 1 to show that it repeats.
Otherwise,
Right there on the board, I can't get it when somebody says it.
I can do it real quick.
Yeah, just copy down real quick.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, 45 goes into 239 5 times. 5 times 45 is 225. Subtract 225 from 239 and you get 140. 45 goes into 140 3 times. 3 times 45 is 135. Then 140 minus 135 is 5. So now, then you bring down the 0. 45 goes into 50 once. 1 times 45 is 45. 50 minus 45 is 5 again. So you bring down the 0, and that's 1 again. So because you're always going to keep on getting 50, the answer up here is going to keep on being 1. So it's just going to be like 1, 1, keep on going forever.
Or if she's working with remainders, it might be 53 and remainder of 5.
Are you working with remainders?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. In that case, you wouldn't have to bring these extra zeros down. Okay. Then you would probably just have, remainder of 5. 53 remainder of 5. Because 140 minus 135 is 5. And this is the whole number here, so you can't go into decimals beyond that point. So you just take, once you get up to the decimal point, you can't get any farther. You just put the remainder, which is this answer right here. Do you follow that?
Understand that, Sarah?
Yeah, I'm just writing it down real quick.
Okay.
Could you show it one more time, please?
Go over it one more time?
Yeah.
Okay. 45 goes into 239 5 times. 5 times 45 is 225. You subtract 225 from 239, and you get 14. Then you bring this 0 down right here. This 0 is right here. 45 goes into 140 3 times. 3 times 45 is 135. 140 minus 135 is 5, and that's your remainder.
Thank you.
Okay, and Colleen's got the answer to the last one real quick.
Yep, for your last one, there's nothing special about it other than it's money. It's $22.96. So you just have to remember to put your decimal point above in your answer, and it comes out to be 28 cents.
The answer is 28 cents.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Okay, all set there, Sarah?
Yep.
Okay, have a good night.
Yep.
All right, then. Finally, we're going to get to our guest, Shelley Guernsey, a production assistant here at our own Channel 6. Where should we start? How long have you worked at Channel 6?
Since August
Okay.
of this past 94.
So you considered a rookie then?
Yeah, still a rookie. I've been around since 90 though. So I graduated from the Port Huron Area School District and did
What's
in
cool?
Port Huron High School.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
What kind of production work have you worked on?
Here at Channel
or
6.
Whatever you've worked on.
Let's see, Channel 6, we basically do sporting events. That's one of our main areas. And we go and we tape all the choir concerts and school
exciting.
plays and the graduation. And other things I've worked on, like the jail and bail. It was
Oh, yeah.
broadcast on Channel 3.
I was there.
You were there.
Yeah.
I ran camera for that and the Dare Telethon. And I've helped out with Heron Headline News, Channel 30. I've done camera for them. Neat things like that.
Hey, exciting stuff.
Yeah.
And you also have our elementary
Yes.
trivia question.
So read that now.
Yep, go for
Okay.
it. The
Okay, in the
floor
Wizard-
is yours.
In The Wizard of Oz, Dorothy is going to the Great Oz because she wants to go home. What are the other 3 characters want and who are they?
So we have to know the other 3 characters and what they
want from the Great Oz.
Okay. What did the Oz dudes want? That's what's written right here. But the question is, what do they want? We need to name the other 3 characters.
And
So you're going to need 6
things.
pieces of information when you call in. But if you get that right, you get the Lion King's storytelling sewing cards. Let's see what these are.
Those are pretty neat.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wait. There's more.
Oh, there is more? Is there more?
You get to sew them.
So what you do is you rip out the little tops here. I won't do it because, you win it, so you get to do it. And then you sew them together, and you have your own
Book.
Lion King storytelling book. Cool. And on top of that, added bonus, sticker fun with dinosaurs. Look at this. You get all these cool dinosaurs, and you stick them. It'll give you like a big picture, and it'll tell you something about it, like this guy's got a bony head. I can relate. I get along with him well. So what you do is you go along, and there's this little dotted place, and I guess you can see how what's that? How good your dexterity is. So if you know the answer to what the guys from the Oz wanted when they were coming down on that long
Yellow
strange
Brick
journey.
Road.
Yeah, the Yellow Brick Road. I'm sorry. Okay. Little joke from earlier in the show. So if you know that, call 984-6620, and I'm going to go back to a homework question. Maybe this person has like 5 questions for us,
Oh, I can't
It
wait.
just keeps adding it
I think the
on.
very first one was 1 and then 2.
No, it started out with
It was
2.
2.
Did it?
Yeah.
2, 2,
We
and
didn't
3.
start out with 1
Multiple
today.
questions.
Oh, sorry.
We started out with a double today. Hello, Karen, you there?
Yeah, sorry, I don't have 5 questions.
5 questions?
There's only 1.
Okay. What school do you go to?
Chippewa,
And what grade are you in?
6.
And what is your question?
Do camels sleep sitting up or sitting down or standing up?
They sleep sitting down.
What?
Camels, do they sleep sitting up or sitting down?
Know that for a fact?
I'm not sure.
Yes. Haven't you guys ever watched National Geographic? No.
No.
No, when they get tired, they just kind of
Fall
flop.
over?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, have you
I
ever
saw
seen that?
movie.
And they sit in their mouths go,
Yeah, I saw a
like
movie
the
about
ugliest
that one.
animal.
yeah, why don't you look that up though, but I'm almost
I
positive.
am gonna look that up right now.
I mean, my mom didn't buy cable for nothing.
Did you ever see that movie, The Gods Are Crazy?
Yes, that was. You ever seen that movie, Karen?
No.
Okay, it's a good movie. Okay, Colleen's looking it up. I don't know if our CD-ROM will tell us the sleeping habits.
Would you like the
Only
Marine
game.
service this Sunday?
Pardon?
Marine service at church.
Yeah, this girl goes to my church and she has the same last name as me. Yeah, I did like that service. Did you?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a Mariner and it's sail. I can relate with that kind of stuff. Kind of like the bony head dinosaur, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. I know. You have any luck there, Colleen?
Well, I'm working on it. No matches for camels and sleep.
Try just camels.
Just try camels.
I mean, I'm
Or
almost
camel.
positive they.
Yeah, I think you're right.
I mean, because once you lose your
Oh,
balance,
let's see.
Just
45 articles.
Yeah, because
Don't
they're not
cows-
like cows.
Cows,
Cows sleep standing
walk.
up.
cows sleep
cows-
standing up.
Cows can hardly walk.
Wow. Check that one out.
Are we finding stuff we shouldn't be on the computer?
I don't know why it's under camels, but
What?
We'll discuss it after the show. Anything in the dictionary, encyclopedia, whatever you're flipping through there?
Nope. It's a cud-chewing animal of the desert regions of Africa, Asia, Asia Minor.
See, told you they chew cutting.
Go up to the top. I don't know.
Mouths like that.
Wait, maybe it's not.
Not crazy. To disbelief of many people.
Nope.
Well, while we're looking that up, we can go back and talking to Shelly here. She's excited. Okay, you mentioned you're teaching a class this summer. You mentioned that earlier in the show. Could you tell us what exactly you're doing?
Video Ventures.
Video adventures.
Video Ventures. It's through the Fort Huron Area School District.
I did that.
Gifted and talented. You did that?
I did that when I was in 6th
The
grade.
Video Ventures?
Yeah, so did Mike Carlton. Sorry.
Mike Carlton was in a Video Ventures. That's right. I taught that class too.
This is exciting.
Wow, Mike Carlton was in my class.
Mike's doing
The
the dance
other-
for us.
the other host.
The other host of the show also.
Where do I even
Video
begin?
Adventures or Video
I don't know.
Adventures?
Video Ventures. VENT. It's just a production class where kids come in and learn how to use all the equipment and
Editing
produce their
equipment?
show. Not the editing, but
Oh.
well, they get a little touch base on the editing, but the cameras, and they write a script and produce their own show.
Oh, that's exciting. I just kind of learned that editing stuff a couple weeks ago. Okay, and
Hey, do you have a trivia answer? Yes, I
Look at
think
this.
we do.
She isn't prepared, guys.
We have a trivia answer to my
Okay.
trivia question. Let's
Look
go
at
to
this.
that line.
Let's go to her. Okay, how are we going to do this here? Okay, Karen, what we're going to do is we're going to keep, because I would put you on hold, but everyone that works on Homework Hotline knows that I hang up on them every time. So why don't you just keep watching, and right when we get back from the break, we'll answer your question for you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, have a fantastic night.
Bye.
Okay, bye. She had the same last name as me. I know you're all impressed. Okay. Hello, Jacqueline there.
Yep.
Did you call earlier?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You're just famous on this show. What do you think the answer is?
The scarecrow wanted courage, the tin man wanted a heart, and the lion wanted a brain.
I'm sorry, you're wrong. Yeah, try and call back again, okay? You just gotta-
How many was she right on?
she was right on one.
Okay. So you're probably just getting them mixed up.
Right, so try
So
calling back.
hang up your phone real quick and call right back, okay?
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 Sorry.
Okay.
Can I get my other trivia question? Or is that later on? It's 7:30.
Go for it. Go for it.
We're gonna have to put.
We're going to do the trivia,
Can
then
I
we're
do
going
the
to go to
trivia
break.
first?
She wants to do the trivia.
Please? Okay.
Hit it. I don't care anymore. Do whatever you want.
Can I interview you? No,
No, Brett doesn't
This
get
is
interviewed on
for
the
the
show.
intermediate.
That's why I'm the host.
This is for the middle school.
984-6620.
Okay, we have an elementary question out there, that still needs to be answered, and this for the intermediate. Name the cast of Scooby-Doo. Now, I know you've watched
Where
Scooby-Doo. It's
are
on
you?
Channel 7.
It's on every
So, it's
channel.
on every channel.
USA,
So
WGN.
name the cast of Scooby-Doo. There are, including Scooby-Doo, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. So,
Well,
That's
the
kinda
fifth one
hard.
was kind of on some episodes.
yeah,
kinda
but
on the
we
other.
won't count them. And what did they win?
I'm losing my job here. Okay. They win Racco.
All right.
Have you ever played this?
This is a fun game.
It was awesome.
Colleen is just
No,
full of
it's a
energy.
great game.
My girlfriend's sister has this game.
You found
And
that?
like
she
it-
always wins at it too. We're trying to figure out.
So you like get all the cards and you have to get them in order and you have to like discard cards and like.
Numbers. It's fun.
Well, I could read the directions to you if you'd like.
You know
That's
what?
okay.
We have to go to break and I have to leave.
I found
Okay.
a camel question yet?
So,
Now that I'm being told what to do, we're gonna go to break and we'll be back in a couple of minutes. So don't go anywhere because there's more entertainment to come. Oh,
Everyone stand back. You don't know.
I have to go. See you guys later.
Shotgun.
That was fun.
Why don't you shotgun
Bye
around
now.
there?
say that.
oh my gosh.
Mike,
Carlton's just.
why don't you take this in the bathroom? Hello, you moron.
Oh, he's gonna spew it.
to a guest who knows more about the show than
Why don't you do that?
Molly, shut up! You're not used to getting your butt kicked
I
in
think you
this
should have him as a
production
guest.
studio, are
Done
you?
that.
What?
I think
You get a little out of hand there, Brett.
Okay. We're getting a little carried away here.
Well, I think it started when I was like de-wired through my
I know.
pants at the beginning of the show. I'm sitting there, there's stuff pulling on my legs.
I know.
Thought I was in a snake pit. I'm like, ew.
I know. Okay, but Ed's
hopefully
here,
I
a
won't be
little
as
more
pushy as
serious
that,
to keep going.
Camels, what else do I put under? Sleeping
They
habits.
sleep standing, sitting down. We should have just told him that and left it alone.
You know that girl that calls in, I can't.
Yeah, like 45 of them. And how birth control is related to camels, I don't know, but it was one of the articles.
You try the first one. And it should
Yeah, the first one would be the
Yeah,
most
and you know
general.
it said it was a kern-eating animal.
What's that first half? Beauty, huh?
tell you all about the lifestyle.
Computer illiterate.
Okay. I'm going to ask you basically the same questions I asked her. What channel 6? What productions have you done? And can you explain exactly what you do at channel 6?
Oh, that's what you're talking about?
Yes.
Yeah.
That girl was wrong. The scarecrow wanted the brain and the lion wanted the curve.
I bring your mic up a little bit higher. They don't.
That's true.
So what happened to my mic at the beginning?
Oh my gosh, read it last sentence.
The fermentation process also creates a great deal of gas.
Okay, so we're gonna do that.
Hey, ladies.
Can we not find it?
Are we starting
No.
off?
We'll just say I found it, that it said they do sleep standing, or sitting,
Sitting.
laying.
Did you find it?
No.
CD.
'Cause you don't
Well,
have
why?
a computer.
Okay.
Shut up, Gary.
What?
I don't see you using it.
Why?
You're not sitting there.
See, you know the answer to the trivia question. This is for intermediate.
I don't know those other two.
No.
I haven't watched that since I was
I've already
a
done
kid,
the
like
guess questions before.
Normal
Okay.
sane
Did it
people.
before break.
I haven't
Can't
either.
tell Hell who tells me everything to do. It's like step off, Rook.
Hey. None of that here.
Ed's the same way.
Yeah,
It's
I'll tell you
Edward.
what to do. It's
I gotta
Edward.
say Edward on this show.
Edward.
Because no one
Don't get me
watches them.
confused with the horse.
Just a little graphic.
Why do you think I don't use it?
That should be a horse.
I do productions and stuff.
I do productions and stuff. That's what I'm supposed to read? I do
The host is
productions and
full of
stuff.
Yeah, stand by, everyone. Nobody's taking control.
How can I stand by when I'm supposed to be sitting? This is the dumbest thing. I just thought about that.
Do you hear a bird?
Are you on a two-shot or just a close-up?
Just a close up.
Let's go for this.
Edward.
Scissor hands.
Evening, this twilight, you know, the sun's setting, the birds chirp at that time.
We're in a building.
Thank you. She's taking control in here, too. Oh, that's not really long. It's about 4 minutes.
So,
It's 4 minutes.
Brett. You see that?
Yes, and I am. Thank you.
Thank you for saying that. I'll see better
kidding.
tonight. Better get some correct off.
5 times.
Okay, so we have a trivia answer on
I
hold.
can't be.
Brett.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so you're gonna go to the camel
Yep.
and then.
Yep.
The camels
all
are
under
standing
control.
down.
Am I saying this they lay down?
Yes. Or no.
Yes.
Yes, they sleep laying down.
I've been like
I'm tired, they just sit. Even if you want to go further, they just sit.
And they'll spit
Doesn't
on you
move
if you
yet,
try to
so.
make them do something.
Cute.
Oh, he doesn't have any ears.
anytime.
I just drew typewriter ribbon.
And we're back. Calm down a little bit. Our medication's been taken and we're ready to see if somebody got the trivia question right. Hello, Jennifer, are you there?
Yeah.
How you doing tonight?
Fine.
That's good. What school do you go to?
Spellingville.
And what grade are you in?
5th.
Fifth. And what do you think the answer to the question is?
The Scarecrow wanted a brain, the Tin Man wanted a heart, and the Lion wanted courage.
That would be it.
Hey, do you have the Lion King sewing set?
No?
Or a dinosaur sticker fun book?
No?
Well, guess what?
What?
Now you do. Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So you can get together with your mom or whoever and you can sew a book. It's kind of neat. I just noticed this. Is when you rip it out, there's like little
Preparations.
Preparation.
perforations. And it
Dotted
kind of
lines.
in the story kind of gradually gets bigger with the pages, so as it gets longer.
The nerd! Look at
See, look how excited she is.
that.
Whoa.
I'm sorry. It's Nicole.
Well, tell Nicole to quiet down. We're doing serious stuff here, okay? You're winning prizes and she's goofing off. All right, we'll get that out to your school by the end of the week, okay? Okay, you girls have fun tonight.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Crazier than we were before the break. Okay. What are we doing now? We're going to a homework question. Oh, the camel.
Okay, we found that Brett was correct. Camel does sleep laying down, but we just wanted to confirm it.
It's all up here, everyone.
For whoever had the camel question, the camel sleeps laying down, so. I don't think I need
Okay.
to repeat it one more time.
We got that. And before we go to our next homework question, we have a new guest. This is amazing. We have Edward here, Edward
Hi there.
Sinek. He is also a production assistant. Are you the production assistant or are you just a production assistant?
I would like to say I am the production assistant, but I'll just say I'm a production assistant.
They are like this here. Without Shelly and Edward, things just wouldn't function around here. Shelly's back in the booth now running things.
Yes.
Where you were earlier, right? You
Right.
guys just switching roles.
That's correct.
Are you going to try to take over the host position like she did?
No, I don't think so, because that's probably why she's not here right now.
Oh, it's going to be fun after this show, isn't it? Okay. Is it Geraldine?
Yes.
Did I get that right?
Yes.
Exciting. That's a nice name. I think that's pretty cool.
Thanks.
If I had a kid, I would name it Geraldine. Anyways, what school do you go to?
I'm McKinley.
And what grade are you in?
5th.
And what is your question for us tonight? Do you just have one?
Yes.
Okay.
12 times 8.
Yeah, go for it. What's your question?
12 times 8.
Oh, 12, I thought you said, can I say it? I'm sorry.
What was it, 12 times 8?
Yes. I'm a little hearing impaired.
I'll do it.
Huh? Colleen's sprinting up to the whiteboard to conquer this multiplication problem for you. Nothing better than a good clean
Okay.
adjective, is there?
First, you're going to start over here. What's 8 times 2?
16.
16. And you write your 6, and you carry your 1. And 8 times 1
8.
plus 1.
9.
So there's your answer. Okay?
Yes.
Oh, we got the answer. Okay. Have a good night, Geraldine.
Bye.
Okay. Anyways, I'm looking for something here, but I'll do that in a minute. Hello, James, you there?
Yep.
Yup. Okay, how you doing tonight? Whoa. People are just excited over these trivia questions tonight.
Sorry.
Okay, take a deep breath there, James. What school are you from? James.
Huh?
What school do you go to?
I can see you looking at me at the TV.
Pretty scary, isn't it?
What?
Yes.
Okay.
What school do you go to?
I go to Central.
Okay. James, I'm Oh, I lost him. Oh, wow. I was trying to switch it over so I could turn it up so I could hear him better, but
Sorry.
I lost him. Oh, well, things happen. Sorry, James. Call back if you know the answer to the question. It's technical difficulty night here. Okay. Christy, you there?
Yep.
Okay. You're not screaming. That's good.
Yeah. My problem is c times 8 divided by 2 plus 2 equals 22.
Okay. You're pretty eager to get that problem out, aren't you?
3 times 8 divided by 2 plus 22.
C times.
2 times
C,
8.
as in cat,
Yeah.
Carl.
C
shoot.
times 8?
C times 8 divided by 2 plus 22 equals what?
No, plus
No, it's plus 2 equals 22.
Let me pass it over to you, Colin.
I got it.
You got it?
I got it.
Okay.
The 8 and the 2 are in parentheses.
4.
4?
What?
C times 8 divided by 4?
Divided by 2 plus 2 equals 22.
Where did you get a 4?
There is no 4.
Where did you get the 4? That's what I want to know.
I thought they said the 4 and the 8 are in parentheses. What's in parentheses?
Colleen, front of me here.
The 8 and the 2 are in parentheses.
I got it.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you, Brett.
No problem. Would you like me to do it?
No, I think I
I
can.
mean, if I know camels can sleep sitting down, then I should be able to do this.
I can do this.
Colleen's still figuring it
No,
out.
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done. I've got it.
We only pick on you because we like you, Colleen.
Hey, tonight's my last night on air. Ever.
Well, it's my second to last.
Okay, is this your problem? All right. First, what you have to do, you do the part of the problem that's in parentheses first. So 8 divided by 2 is what?
4.
Right. Okay, so now you have C times 4 plus 2 equals 22. And that's crossed out. Okay. Now going left to right, you do multiplication first. C times 4 would just be 4C plus 2 equals 22. Okay, and then you gotta get rid of this 2. Since you're adding it on this side, in order to get rid of it, you do the opposite on this side. So the opposite of addition would be subtraction. So you take 22 and minus 2, which is 20. 4C equals 20. Did you follow that?
Yeah.
Okay. And then in order to get rid of this 4, it's on this side 4 times C. That's multiplication. So in order to get rid of the 4, what would you do on this side in order to get rid of it?
You subtract.
No, you divide it. The opposite.
Divide, and it would be 5.
Exactly. That's C equals 5. That's your answer.
Oh, thank you.
Y'all set there?
Yep.
Okay, have a good night.
You too.
Oh, thanks, I will.
Bye.
Bye-bye. All right, and we're going to go back to our guest, Edward.
Yeah.
I just love this two-guest thing. It's, anyways, it's one of those nights. Okay, you also work at Channel 6 as a production assistant.
production assistant, right.
A as in one of two. Okay, how long have you worked at Channel 6?
Since October of '94.
It's October of '94, so you're kind of the rookie too, aren't you?
That's right, yeah.
Wow. See, they all started when I started the show, so I figured you guys been here forever.
Well, that's, you see the mistakes on the show, that's probably due to us.
It's not my fault. It's never my fault. I'm glad we got that cleared up all year.
Right.
Felt like I was messing up at times. What kind of production work have you done? Shelley mentioned some of hers.
I did a lot of video productions here and also in Florida. I think my most strangest one I did is I had to do a tow truck convention. So if you can imagine how exciting it would be to take different angles of tow trucks and then try to
Now,
make
did
it
you get them
interesting.
moving and, you know?
Actually, no, they were all stationary. It was a convention, like an auto show. But the
They
thing
should
is
have like
they
a
were
little
all-
seminar, you know, the guy drives up and say, we got 10 tons in here in the tow truck. And we go, "Oh, never mind.
But they were all tow trucks. I mean, it's like, how many angles of a paperclip can you take before people say, hey, that's a paperclip? So yeah, that was one of my most interesting ones to do.
What a guy, Edward.
Oh, I love this show. Okay, can you explain what you do every day here at Channel 6? Kind of give us a rundown. We saw you back, well, they didn't see you, but I saw you back there running the show.
Okay, well, when I wake up, okay,
Day in the life of Edward.
actually back there we have to run programming, so we make sure that the programs that we have taped run on air, and we have to do all the editing. So when we do sports events, whatever, we edit them together and then put graphics in. We, of course, do graduations, as Shelley mentioned before, and this year we'll be doing graduations live. So there will be a chance for...
Really?
Yes, graduations will be live.
So when
with,
you trip, Colleen,
yes, yes.
that is also...
Is that because of like,
I don't know if exactly, but I think it might be because Ross Perot is there. And
I was just wondering.
Yeah, it's
in the whole
beauty
Miss America
queen,
thing for
yeah.
PH?
America.
Miss America.
I did mention that, even though I don't.
And you also
go
do
to
help
that
with the
school.
senior video.
Oh,
You've
yes.
been a lot of help
Yes.
for me. I would like to thank him and everyone else at Channel 6, because I'm one of... I'm one of, I don't know if you want to call it the workers, producers. I'm a producer of the...
Yeah, you
I'm a producer! Yes!
Actually, when it comes to graphics, you can put whatever you want there, director, whatever.
Yeah.
They can't change it once it's there. So
Yeah, so he's been a lot of help with the senior video. I don't know about PH's, but Northern, he's been quite a help to me because I'm just learning how to do this stuff, really.
and doing a good job though.
Thanks. Okay, we're going to go to the high school.
You owe me $1 now.
Hold on, I'm a little broke.
The high school
Stop it
trivia.
hot now, we're here, okay.
All right, we all know about Tom Hanks and Forrest Gump there, but the question we have is, what series did Tom Hanks get his start in? Ooh. Yes. Notice they're all TV-related questions because we're TV assistant production, so.
Yeah. You don't have to ask questions about wars.
About war
We've had plenty
and
of those.
maps and geography, stuff that I don't know.
Okay, we're going to see if a trivia question has been, if they have the correct answer. Shannon, you there?
Uh-huh.
What school do you go to?
Central.
And what grade are you in?
8.
And what is your answer for us tonight?
Gooby, Velma, Shaggy, Fred, and Daphne.
That would be all of them.
Yeah,
That's
all
it.
right.
They are the
Did you
winners.
watch that show as a kid?
Yeah.
I love it at the end, because every time, the same line at the end, they catch the guy, and he always goes, I would have got away with it, remember you dang kids. You ever seen that? Every time, the guy is always in the mask, and they always know him. Isn't that ironic, Shannon?
Yeah.
You ever played Racco before?
Yeah.
Oh. Do you have it?
No.
Oh, okay, don't say yeah. I was going to say, I'll have to give you another prize. But that'll be out to your school by the end of the week, okay?
Okay.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, and we didn't, for the high school, you know the answer to the high school, you win a gift certificate to the Birchwood Mall. You can use it anywhere in the Birchwood Mall. May it be the movie theater, Deb, the Dollar Tree. You can get 5 items at the Dollar Tree with this thing, so you can call in and win that at 984-6620. And Edward will tell you if you're right.
Yes.
Because he's the TV guy and he knows all the answers. Okay. Nicole. Nicole? Nicole?
This is Carrie.
Oh. Kira, you there?
Yeah.
Okay, how you doing tonight?
Good.
That's good. What school do you go to?
Garfield.
And what grade are you in?
3rd.
And what's your question for us tonight?
54 times 3.
54 times 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, do you know what 4 times 3 is?
12.
Okay, you put your 2 down here, put your 1 up here above the 5. Do you know what 3 times 5 is?
15.
And then you add 1.
16.
Okay, and your answer is 162.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay, we got that answer. I'm still looking through stuff here. Okay, I'll just put this back here. Emily, you there?
Yep.
How you doing tonight?
Fine.
That's good. What school do you go to?
McCormick.
And what grade are you in?
Yep.
And what is your question for us tonight?
I need to know the difference between intransitive verbs and transitive verbs.
So intransitive verbs and transitive verbs.
The difference
I can
is
tell you one difference. They're
2 letters.
yeah. That's not the answer. Don't hang
Oh,
up.
yeah.
Okay. They're working on that over there. Colleen, our computer whiz.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
I doubt it's gonna be in here, but
Is this just a question off of a ditto or?
No, it says in each of the following sentences, identify the parallelized, the words that are like slash different words, you know,
I know.
action verb as transitive or intransitive. And I don't know the difference between them, so I can't
Okay.
tell which one they are.
We're gonna find that out for you. Okay. Gary, find anything over there?
Yeah, I gotta figure it out first.
Okay.
Okay.
English, you gotta interpret it, you know.
I see. Okay.
wow.
A transitive
Bing, the
verb.
light goes on.
A transitive verb. Okay, it says first of all, transit means to carry, as in rapid transit. A transitive verb requires an object to complete its meaning. The object of a transitive verb is affected, however slightly, by whatever the verb expresses. And they give examples. The hammer struck the anvil.
So struck is a transitive verb.
Yeah, and because it affects the
Teamwork.
anvil.
It has
Angela.
it has like my cousin Julio plays baseball on a Caribbean League team, and that's transitive. And my cousin Julio plays every week, and that's intransitive. But I don't.
I can't hear what she's saying.
Could you repeat that, please?
Oh, sure. My cousin Julio plays baseball on a Caribbean League team, and that's transitive. But then it says my cousin Julio plays every week, and that's intransitive.
Well, in order for it to be transitive, he has to. The verb is played, so his playing would have to affect an object. So, what's your other example that you had? Your other question, the other sentence.
My cousin Julio plays baseball on a Caribbean League team.
Didn't you have two questions?
The first one.
Okay. Well, played baseball, I don't think would be a transitive verb.
It says that it is. It says
Oh, it
my
does?
cousin Julio plays baseball on a Caribbean League team, and it's transitive.
Plays baseball.
So she said.
Okay. Well, I don't really understand why. Because all it says is just that the verb has to have an effect. Okay, like Angela read the newspaper. Okay, the object is newspaper. Yeah, okay, so baseball must be the object and played is the verb. And that's why it'd be transitive. An
Instead of
intransitive
just
verb.
being like, someone is dancing.
Yeah, like, okay, for examples
The
for
verb
intransitive,
isn't acting on anything.
the clock strikes. There's no objects, just the clock strikes. And the bird is on the fence. It is the verb. It doesn't affect anything. He walks down the street every evening.
Like my cousin plays every week.
Played on a league.
Like my cousin Julio plays every week.
Plays every week.
Plays every week.
That's
That's
intransitive.
that it says it is transitive.
No, it's
Right. What do you got there?
nothing.
Okay.
We're working ahead.
Play. Okay. Does your book say that plays every week is intransitive?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense because plays every week. There's no object. It's just he plays. Whereas if he plays baseball, baseball is the object because it's a noun, and plays affects the baseball. Do you
Oh,
understand?
okay.
Okay.
Got it, Emily? Okay.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Okay.
And we're gonna go to trivia. Mike, you there?
Yes, it's me.
Yes, it's him. What school do you go to?
Fortnite High.
And what grade are you in?
I'm a sophomore.
And what do you think the answer to the question is?
Is it Bosom Buddies?
Bosom buddies.
How did you know that?
Oh, I used to watch it when I was little.
Awesome show.
Scooby-Doo too?
Yeah, I watched them all.
Sweet. Now you have a gift certificate too. The Birchwood Mall.
Alrighty.
And we'll get it to your school by, well, probably tomorrow. We'll just give it to one of the tutors here that goes to PH. We'll give it to somebody. You can
Okay.
just pick it up in the main office, okay?
Alrighty.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
and have a good night.
You too.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, Colleen, are you finding anything on what?
What exactly am I looking at? Just him in general, or?
Hold on a sec here. We'll ask Nicole. Nicole,
Yeah.
are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, what school do you go to?
Woodrow Wilson.
And what grade are you in?
Yes.
And what's your question for us tonight?
What did Nathan Hale say during the Revolutionary War?
What did he say?
Kind of like John Paul Jones.
I only regret that I have but one life to lose.
Oh, hold on a second, okay?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Okay, Colleen has the answer.
Okay.
I only regret that I have but one life to lose for my country?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We have one more. No, we don't. Okay.
Well, with the one more question, just call.
One more.
Okay, just call back with that other question, okay?
Okay.
Have a good night. And that's it. It's time to wrap it up. We're going to put this last name in here. Yeah, that goes to him. Okay, we're going to shake it up. Want to give a little shake?
All right.
Okay. Okay. We always see, because, I don't know, it's like the homework hotline thing. If you call in the last caller, your name always gets drawn. So we're shaking it up. We're going crazy here. It's not going to happen this week. Dig deep.
Right, so what if I do draw the last one and everybody says,
Then you're never going to be a guest again. Don't worry about it.
well, great, little pressure.
Oh, I thought it was. Okay, it's Jacqueline from Woodrow Wilson. She called about the Declaration of Independence and John Paul. No, that was our first one.
Hey, I get to be a guest again. Yay!
Yes! Okay, and she wins complimentary tickets to Goodrich Quality Theaters, which is Craft 8 too, so she can bring that. Well, she's in 5th grade. I don't know if she's got a boyfriend. But hey, if you got a boyfriend, bring him along, and if not, give me a call. I'm always up for a free movie. I'm just kidding. It's a little humor, okay? And that concludes yet another episode of Homework Hotline. Tune in next week because we only have 2 more shows left. Next week, Mike will be here with more entertainment for you and answering your homework questions. So until next week, bye-bye.